The CAESAR Self-Propelled Howitzer has become one of Ukraine's most valuable long-range artillery systems in the war against Russia. Light, mobile, and surprisingly hard-hitting, it gives Ukrainian forces a way to strike Russian positions quickly and then disappear before counter-battery fire can lock on. At first glance, CAESAR looks almost modest compared with heavier tracked artillery systems. It mounts a 155mm howitzer on a wheeled truck chassis, which makes it much lighter and faster to move than many self-propelled guns. That matters in Ukraine, where artillery duels are constant and staying in one place for too long can get you destroyed. The key advantage is mobility. CAESAR can roll into position, fire, and leave in a very short time. That shoot-and-scoot style is exactly what Ukraine needs against Russian counter-battery radars and drones. Instead of acting like a static gun, it behaves more like a hit-and-run weapon system. Ukraine's war with Russia has been shaped heavily by artillery. Russia entered the conflict with huge numbers of guns and rockets, and Ukraine needed a system that could match that pressure without sacrificing survivability. CAESAR helped fill that gap. Older Soviet-era artillery systems in Ukraine's inventory were powerful, but often lacked the range, accuracy, and digital fire control of modern Western systems. CAESAR changed that. It brought better targeting, faster deployment, and NATO standard 155mm ammunition, which opened the door to more precise and flexible fire missions. In simple terms, CAESAR gave Ukraine a way to hit back farther, faster, and smarter. Ukraine uses CAESAR in several important roles. Counter-battery fire. When Russian artillery opens up, Ukrainian drones and spotters find the position, and CAESAR can strike back quickly. Deep strikes. It is used to hit ammunition depots, command posts, and logistics points well behind the front line. Support for maneuver units. During offensives or defensive actions, CAESAR provides fast artillery support to infantry and armor. Its range and accuracy make it especially useful for disrupting Russian logistics. In a war where supply lines are constantly under pressure, knocking out depots and transport routes can be as valuable as destroying frontline vehicles. One of the strongest reasons CAESAR is so effective in Ukraine is that it can move on roads with relative ease. Unlike heavier tracked artillery, It doesn't need the same level of recovery support or maintenance burden. That makes it ideal for a battlefield where roads, bridges, and terrain are often damaged. This mobility gives Ukrainian crews more flexibility. They can fire from one position, relocate before Russian artillery responds, and fire again elsewhere. In a conflict dominated by surveillance drones and radar, that kind of mobility is a lifesaver. It also helps that CAESAR can be transported and deployed more easily than heavier artillery systems. For a country under constant attack and needing to shift assets quickly, that's a major advantage. Another reason CAESAR matters is its balance of accuracy and protection. It's not as heavily armored as some tracked systems, but its doctrine is built around staying mobile instead of staying exposed. That means the crew spends less time in vulnerable firing positions. The system's digital fire control lets crews aim and fire quickly, reducing the chance of being targeted. And because it fires standard 155mm NATO rounds, Ukraine can use a variety of ammunition types depending on the mission. That flexibility helps commanders adapt to changing battlefield conditions. Precision also matters because Ukraine can't afford to waste shells. Every round has to count. CAESAR helps make that happen. Beyond its military value, CAESAR has also become a symbol of Western support for Ukraine. France in particular has been one of the most visible suppliers of the system. And that matters politically, as well as militarily. For Ukraine, every CAESAR delivered is a sign that it is not fighting alone. It also shows that modern artillery is no longer just about brute force. It's about speed, accuracy, and survivability. CAESAR represents that shift perfectly. In the Ukraine-Russia war, CAESAR stands out because it solves a very specific problem. How do you deliver effective artillery fire without giving the enemy an easy target? The answer is a mobile, precise, and highly adaptable howitzer that can keep up with the pace of modern war. It may not be the biggest gun on the battlefield, but it is one of the smartest. And in a war where every second counts, that can make all the difference. The CAESAR Self-Propelled Howitzer has proven that speed and precision can matter just as much as raw firepower. For Ukraine, it is not just a weapon system. It is a battlefield advantage.
Принял, прием.
Принял, плюс.
more military technology insights. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.